recite along with me, taking the script from the internet. You have this in Stotranidhi. You can download that, or you can also browse from any other site. Mahalakshmi Ashtakam is easily available anywhere. Indra Uvacha. It starts with Indra Uvacha. Indra recited this for the first time. Namastestu Mahamaye Shripithe Surapujite Shankhachakragadahaste Mahalakshmi Namostute. Namaste Garudarudhe Kolasura-bhayankari Sarvapapahare Devi Mahalakshmi Namostute. Sarvagye Sarvavarade Sarvadushta-bhayankari Sarvadukha